Well, here we are. We're at the Radisson Blu in Birmingham. We're here with 16 examiners and team leaders and principals from different awarding bodies within Cambridge Assessments. We're all here today to get together to look at what is working well within RM Assessor and what areas can be improved. And that's really important to us at RM Results, because if we hear first-hand from examiners what they need in the future of the product, we can make sure we're improving that.
Most of my experience has been paper marking, and when we introduced on-screen marking back in 2005-06, it came as a little bit of a shock because it was totally new, it came out of the blue. But once we'd seen what it could do, what the potential was, we thought this is the way of the future.
I was very nervous about it at first and really wasn't sure whether e-marking could work on an essay-based subject like English literature. Fortunately, I had a brilliant team leader who helped me through the whole process. And the whole experience of seeing how difficult it is at first and how you need to familiarise yourself to how the e-marking system can help you has helped me to give better guidance myself, both as a team leader and as a principal.
I never thought it would be the case, but that I would prefer to mark online. But you just go through a candidate's responses so much more efficiently, and you don't have piles of paper all over the floor.
I use RM Assessor, and what I really like about it is, to be completely honest, I don't have piles of paper scripts lying around that I can lose. I can keep a track of what I've got to mark, where I've got to mark it, how far I've got, and as a supervisor I can keep tabs and monitor the marking teams far more accurately than I could with paper.
I think what will bring new examiners on board most is more training and more professional development within the body of examining. Because I think that examiners develop very valuable skills during their time, but they need to have those skills introduced to them, and they need to feel that their skills are rewarded and respected. They need a chance to pass on what they've learnt, and they need a chance to develop their careers.
So this is part of a journey we're going on with Cambridge Assessments about continually improving the user experience of RM Assessor. And we're taking away a lot of information from today's session. We'll sit down and discuss that at length with Cambridge Assessments and work out which are the next features we add into the product.
You talk to examiners, and of course they're on the coalface. They're the people that are out using the software every day. And what might seem to us to be quite a small problem or a small frustration, when you add all those things up, it's clearly influencing the way that they're interacting with the software, and it's influencing the way that they're marking.
It's been great to have the sheer number of ideas, suggestions, practical, some short-term, some long-term.
I've learned a great deal today about how different subjects approach the problems that I've had, and I will take some of those ideas back to the way that I run my senior team management meetings.
What I ultimately hope we will be able to do with this is come up with new enhancements, new features for RM Assessor that will improve the marking experience for markers, and therefore actually improve the accuracy and efficiency of the marking that we do.